It's been 50 years of Apple, and well, Apple has promised a few new products coming very soon. So let's actually talk about this, and some interesting things are coming from Apple, especially in the past month. First, let's talk about obviously the main thing, which, well, includes glasses, because this is one of the biggest topics that everyone has been talking about for Apple for the past few years. Now, if you are someone that has been part of the Apple ecosystem, or you've been involved in technology, you most likely know that there has been so many rumors for Apple to release smart glasses, especially to try catch up with Meta with the Meta Ray Bans, which by the way, those glasses are very impressive, and I hope to get my hands on them sometime in the future. But so far, there has been reports saying that Apple actually has 4 different designs for the Apple glasses. So this means, yes, we are definitely going to be expecting Apple glasses sometime soon, but we don't know if it's going to be, or maybe in most cases, maybe in the next year or two. But obviously, this is still in early development, so we don't know too much about Apple glasses. All that we do know is that Apple's trying to make it more of a screenless experience for a lot of users. But do let me know in the comments below, do you think Apple will definitely make a good Apple glasses? Or will they be something that is very similar to the flop of the Vision Pro? But now let's actually talk about some phones that we can actually expect from Apple, which includes the all-new iPhone Fold. Which, yes, there has already been leaks, especially with dummy phones, on the internet for Apple's upcoming phones. Now, so far we have seen the design that we can expect for obviously the iPhone 18 Pro, but we're also seeing dummy phones for the iPhone Fold. Which, yes, if this is obviously accurate to what we can actually expect for the iPhone Fold, this can be definitely a very interesting design, especially because, well, it's more of a compact type of fold device, compared to obviously what we are used to with phones from Samsung, for example. Because obviously the Samsung Fold has 2 different variations. A vertical look, which obviously opens out into a tablet, or a flip phone, which, yeah, we all know about that one. And not just that, but there has been so many talks of that, well, Apple's going to be using soon Samsung cameras. Because let's be honest, a lot of Samsung users are just bragging that, well, look, Apple's now using Samsung technology. Which if you do actually do a bit of a deep dive into tech, especially from, well, the beginning of Apple with their iPhones, you'll know that Apple actually did originally talk to Samsung for the display, where obviously stuff happened there. So of course I don't want to dive into that too much, but if you do the research, you do know that this is not a new thing at all. In fact, most brands actually use other parts from other brands. And then also finally, let's talk about what has just happened to Apple that is really interesting and could possibly lead to some new products coming from Apple, all because of how successful this one product just did. Now, of course, for many of you that do not know, this year Apple obviously announced an all-new MacBook, which is of course known as the MacBook Neo, which does also use the A18 Bionic chip that's from their iPhones. And well, let's just say the MacBook Neo is doing so well that so far MacBook is currently limiting how many MacBook Neos can actually order. Because, well, they are running out of chips for the MacBook Neo. Which, yes, this is actually not a surprise because, let's be fair, majority of Apple products are always over $1,000, especially when it comes to MacBook. And I think the first good sign for Apple to know that, well, a lot of users are wanting cheaper products from them with the Mac Mini, which obviously that includes the M4 chip, which has a lot of power. It includes 16 gigabytes of unified memory, and I mean, I've reviewed it on the channel, and that thing is extremely powerful. And well, the fact that they released a MacBook version of that, which obviously is the MacBook Neo, which obviously doesn't have the most power compared to the Mac Mini, but still, it's an affordable option from Apple, and a lot of people are wanting it. And well, I mean, it's definitely showing with how many sales they've had with the MacBook Neo. And I wouldn't be surprised if maybe later this year they release a newer version of the MacBook Neo already, with maybe the A19 chip. Because, well, they are doing so well with this MacBook Neo, I can definitely see them bringing more products similar to the MacBook Neo. But that is everything that is new for Apple. There is so much development coming from Apple, we could probably see a lot of new products from Apple very soon. But do let me know in the comments below, which Apple product are you most excited for? Apple glasses, the iPhone Fold, or possibly a new MacBook that is similar to the Neo, or even new products that might be more in the Neo side. But I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next one. Be safe as always, and have a good day onwards. Bye.